Hi, I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to make a chocolate martini with Baileys. So it's going to seem like there's more ingredients than normal, and it might seem more complicated, but it's not. It's super easy. So this video is going to be very easy. This cocktail is very easy. I'm making this video because one of our subscribers, Bustasan, asked us to make a video using cream. Stop. So my producer Jeff's behind me making all kinds of jokes. So we're using half and half. And I'm going to make a couple videos for him using half and half. I've got my ice here. I've got all my ingredients going on, and we're going to start this chocolate martini. All right, so got the glass. First thing we're going to do is we are going to get the rim moistened, because I know how people love the word moist. So we're going to moisten the rim with a little bit of water. Then I've got the sugared candy that we're going to put around the rim. And it's going to look so pretty, but it's going to taste good too. So I'm going to get this sugared candy on there. Oh, look at that. Kind of looks like Christmas, right? All right, so get that on there. Now we're done with this. We can remove this out of our way because it will just get in the way. Okay, now this is going to be real complicated. We're going to take Hershey syrup, and we are going to, if it hasn't already melted in the Florida sun, drizzle it down this glass. Because we want it to look pretty. All right, so there we go. We got that drizzle down on the glass. Perfect. Glass is looking pretty. Things are going good. So far, so good. Now we've got our shaker completely full of ice, and we're going to start mixing the alcohol. This is the best part. All right, so we got Baileys. We're going to do half a shot of Baileys. We've got this, and I'm probably going to say this wrong because I'm not sure how to say this, but it's creme de coco. So we're going to use a half a shot of the creme de coco. And if you know how to say that correctly, please fix it for me. Godiva chocolate liqueur. We're going to do a full shot. And then I'm adding in this Mr. Black. This is an espresso liqueur. We're going to use a full shot. And then you all know I love Deep Eddy vodka. All right, last ingredient is a shot of cream. Now, we're going to shake it all up. It is leaking on my fingers. We're going to get this really cold, because the colder it is, the better it is. As I said before, I try to do it until I can't hold it anymore, until it frosts over the top, which it just did. All right, so we're going to strain it into my martini glass all the way to the top. And then you can garnish this with anything you want. If you want to do cherries, black cherries, whatever. I'm just going to put some mint on it. I think the mint and chocolate go really good together, and it looks pretty. All right, so as you can see, we got the sugar candy around the rim, and it's nice and frothy. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to taste this one. I'm so excited. All right, let's give it a try. This is so good. This is delicious. All right, bust this on. You should make this for your girlfriend because she is going to love it. And everyone else, make it because you're going to love it. I love it. All right, so before I drink the entire drink down, I just want to tell you, please hit the subscribe button. I keep forgetting to say that prior to. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to finish this drink. I might be getting a little bit tipsy. Have a great day and cheers.